my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new ring light that I got from my husband as an early birthday gift. I'm really excited to show you this ring light. It's on right now, so it gives out a better quality, like video quality. I'm really loving it. So this ring light, this is a ring light from the brand Neewer. By the way, this video is not sponsored. It is not sponsored. I'm just showing you guys this new ring light. So if you want to invest a little money on a new ring light or on your first ring light like myself, then I hope this video helps you in any way. So this ring light comes in with a carrying bag and is only designed for the ring light. So this is a Neewer ring light with upgraded design, that it has only 1.8 centimeters thickness with a pink appearance. So ring light is pink, but this ring light also comes in black. Now the box that it comes with, it has one LED ring light, one light stand, one smartphone holder, one power adapter with US plug, one hot shoe adapter, one white plastic filter, and one carrying bag for the ring light. I will be leaving a link down below. Click on it and then check this ring light out. And so let's jump in right to the video. Guys, enjoy this video. I really wanted to share with you this new ring light that I got, again, as an early birthday gift from my husband, which I was so happy, so lucky. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this new ring light. I'm really loving it as of right now. I think it's pretty neat. It's got so many features that I will be using definitely. Look forward to my new makeup tutorials with this beautiful ring light. The colors are going to show more, they're going to look brighter, they're going to be popping. In the future, I might create an updated video about this ring light just to let you guys know how it's performing and if I still like it or not. As of right now, I'm loving it. I love everything. I mean, I really needed a ring light, and since my birthday is coming up, my husband, he just surprised me with this beautiful ring light. Hope that this video will help other fellow YouTubers like myself maybe invest in a ring light. I know it's kind of expensive, so you know, save some money. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.